This robot doesn't just move, it thinks and adapts in real time. Meet Generalist Gen 1, the brain behind the next generation of robotics. Instead of relying on rigid programming, Gen 1 focuses on intelligence, learning, and real-time decision-making. Developed by Generalist AI, it can perform multiple physical tasks without being limited to one role. What makes it powerful is its ability to learn from minimal data and instantly adapt to new environments. When challenges appear, it doesn't stop, it adjusts and keeps going. This level of flexibility is changing how machines work in the real world. Gen 1 represents a bold shift towards smarter, faster, and more reliable automation. This is the future of robotics.
What if robots moved just like humans, smooth, natural, and intelligent? Meet the BBLI01 Humanoid robot, a stunning leap into the future of robotics. From its very first step, its smooth, human-like motion grabs attention and proves how far technology has evolved. Built with precision engineering and powered by advanced AI, BBLI01 can balance, coordinate, and adapt in real time. Its sensors and actuators work seamlessly together, allowing it to respond naturally to its surroundings. Every movement feels controlled, fluid, and almost human. This isn't just a machine, it's a glimpse into a future where robots actively assist and live alongside us. BBLI01 is redefining what robots can truly become.
This AI robot doesn't just work, it thinks, moves, and serves like a pro. Introducing the Unix AI Robot Panther, a powerful breakthrough in intelligent robotics built for the real world. This dual-arm mobile robot combines precision, flexibility, and smart control to handle complex tasks across industries like retail, logistics, and hospitality. Its bionic arms move with incredible accuracy, allowing it to grasp, pour, and adjust objects effortlessly. With an omnidirectional wheel system, it navigates tight spaces smoothly and efficiently. Advanced sensors and perception systems help it understand and react instantly. Powered by strong onboard AI, it plans and executes tasks with precision, bringing us closer to seamless human-robot collaboration.
This robot doesn't just deliver, it opens doors, presses buttons, and works like a human. Meet the Flashbot Arm, a next-generation service robot designed to act more like a human assistant than a simple machine. Developed by Pudu X Lab under Pudu Robotics, it combines autonomous navigation with advanced manipulation skills. Using VSLAM and LiDAR SLM, it maps environments, avoids obstacles, and moves smoothly through indoor spaces. Its dual robotic arms and dexterous hands allow it to grasp items, press buttons, and even open doors effortlessly. Powered by embodied intelligence, it understands situations, interacts with people, and completes tasks like elevator use and deliveries with precision, redefining the future of service robotics.
What if your hand could control a robot instantly, in real time? Introducing the Troobo Hand Teleoperation system, a breakthrough that turns human motion into precise robotic action. Developed by Tokyo Robotics, this advanced system mirrors the complexity of a real human hand, enabling robots to grasp, rotate, and manipulate objects with incredible accuracy. Its multi-joint structure and sensitive pressure sensors allow it to feel touch and adjust grip instantly. With torque-controlled actuators, every movement is smooth and natural. This isn't just control, it's connection. Troobo Hand brings humans and machines closer than ever, creating a future where robotic interaction feels intuitive, responsive, and almost like an extension of your own body.
This tiny engine is quietly redefining the future of flight. Meet the Solo 262502i Neo silent but game-changing innovation in modern aviation. Developed by Solo Aircraft Engines GmbH, this lightweight powerhouse is built for ultralight aircraft and motorized gliders. Its twin-cylinder, liquid-cooled two-stroke design, combined with electronic fuel injection, delivers smooth performance and impressive efficiency. Dual high-voltage electronic ignition ensures reliability and enhanced flight safety. Despite its compact size, it produces strong, consistent power where every gram counts. Even more impressive, it minimizes vibration and noise, creating a quieter, more refined flying experience. This engine represents the next step towards smarter, lighter, and more efficient aviation technology.
One robot, multiple jobs. This is the future of smart cities. Introducing the EDAG Citybot, a revolutionary step toward intelligent urban mobility. This modular robotic platform can transform itself to handle multiple roles, from transporting passengers and delivering goods to cleaning streets and supporting city maintenance. Powered by clean energy and advanced AI, it continuously analyzes its surroundings to operate safely and efficiently. What makes it truly powerful is its ability to communicate with connected systems, improving coordination across the entire city. Instead of using multiple machines, one smart system does it all. EDAG Citybot is redefining urban life, creating cities that are more efficient, sustainable, and built for the future.
This machine doesn't shoot drones, it shuts them down instantly. Meet the Leonidas AGV, a cutting-edge leap in autonomous defense technology. This advanced ground vehicle combines mobility, artificial intelligence, and high-energy systems into one powerful platform. Built for counter-drone operations, it uses high-power microwave signals to disable aerial threats by disrupting their electronics. No physical destruction needed. It can even take down multiple drones at once, including coordinated swarms. With AI-driven navigation, it moves smoothly across diverse terrains, operating autonomously or under remote control. Precise, adaptive, and highly efficient, the Leonidas AGV represents the future of security, where smart systems respond faster, safer, and more effectively than ever before.